Hello everyone. So the previous video I already show you how to log in smart TV, and today I will show you how to continue watching a movie or video that you have watched but unfinished video. You want to continue to watch them again. So what you have to do when you go to the YouTube now, so you use the control panel here, your remote control here, and you just tap on the left side until the mouse is there. This is subscription. You can go down. Okay, so the folder, this one, the folder, and then you will see history. So in library it will show you your video, it will show you your video that you have paused. Even as you put in your phone, it will be stored here, my video, and watch later. Watch later is the video that you have add to playlist watch later. If you love the video and you have no time to watch, you can just add to watch later. And history, this is what the topic I tried to teach you is. You come to the story on the top there, you will see unfinished video or finished video is here. So what I watched today is only 3 video and all unfinished video. You can see the first video I watched about 5% I think, and the second 5%, also all video unfinished. So if you want to clear all this video, you don't want to show anymore, you can use the remote control and just roll this mark to up there, just clear it. This one, it will be gone all. So you can make sure that you want to clear the watch history, or you don't want to clear, just cancel it. If you want to clear, just clear it. That's all for the tutorial today, and hope you enjoy with the video. Bye.